How to find copyright policy on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find copyright policy on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok application. Once you are there, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now you can scroll down and you're gonna find copyright privacy. Click on it. And this is it, guys, this is your copyright policy on your TikTok app. You can click on the pink icon and download this information if you want. And this is it, guys, so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.